Now clear JIIB in just 7 days with the help of our crash course presented by Learning Sessions. Let us see the features of this crash course. So you will get full course chapter wise 64 plus hours videos in Hindi mixed English language, in which all the 3 papers, principles and practices of banking, accounting and finance for banking, legal and regulatory aspects of banking will be covered in just 64-hour videos. So if you cover these 64-hour videos, you just need not to go through any other study materials or videos, and it will be considered as you have covered the full syllabus. You can access these videos using your mobile or laptop, and as these are preloaded videos, you can watch these videos anytime, any number of time during the validity of the course, that is 1 year. So these videos will be more than sufficient for clearing the JIIB exam in the very first attempt for sure. Along with these videos, you will get 4500 plus previous year chapter wise questions, memory recalled questions in the form of chapter wise questions, mock test, compete test. These are basically questions which are collected from previous years of the JIIB exams with the explanation wherever required. So whenever you complete a video, just go through the chapter wise questions, so it will make sure that you have covered each and everything and aspect of the exam. Moreover, you will get an idea that what kind of questions are coming up in the exams and how focused you are. Now, along with it, you'll also get 1400 plus short notes that are available free of cost on our website, that is https://iibf.info. Also, you'll get WhatsApp updates. Just WhatsApp on this number 83609442207 and we will add to you the appropriate group. And also you can follow us on the Facebook for the frequent updates on JIIB, CAIIB and bank promotion. Now, how you can get this course? First of all, you need to visit our website, that is https://iibf.info. The link is also available on the description. Over there, you need to log in or sign up. After that, just go to the Buy Pro section and select the appropriate pack. And the third step will be the payment, and you need to make the appropriate pack payment over there. The combo courses are available and listed at a lower price than the individual courses. You can pay the amount using debit card, credit card, IMPS, UPI, net banking or other Paytm wallets. It's an automated process. After the payment, the pack will be activated automatically and just you can start studying from the day itself. So it's a 7-day challenge for JIIB. Just go through the videos for 3 hours on daily basis for 7 days for single paper. Each paper consists of at least 20 hours of videos. So you need to go through these videos and spend half hour on chapter wise previous year questions. That is, you need to spend 3 to 4 hours on daily basis, and we assure you, if you do this exercise, you will surely succeed in the exam in the very first attempt with at least 60% marks. So just note down this link, that is iibf.info. Visit this using your mobile or laptop to access the JIIB, CAIIB study materials. So for any other info or query, you can call us, WhatsApp us at 83609442207. I hope you would have liked the video. If you have an inquiry, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you again in the next video.